Good day, everyone. This is Suresh Kumar from Zebu and Zebu School on morning update. So today, not a great day for markets. So what happened? Market has fallen by about 150 points in Nifty and similar amount in Bank Nifty and the percentage in Bank Nifty and Sensex. The most to fall so far is Bajaj Finance in the top Nifty 50 companies. Then Bajaj Finance is the one that has fallen the most. Um, Now, why it has fallen? It is because of the weak global cues that has come from the all over the world. All over the world, almost all the signals and the news that is coming is negative. The only shining beacon of share market in the share markets is our market, where only our stock exchange and the Sensex Nifty indexes are keeping up when compared to the other countries. Only our indexes are near the lifetime low, whereas, I mean, lifetime high, whereas the other countries' exchanges and the indexes are somewhere near the lifetime 52-week low itself. Why? Because of the robust demand we have and the robust domestic demand we have and the fiscal prudence exhibited by our RBI and our government and the finance minister, because of which our country is stable, because of which it is reflected in the strength is reflected in the index as well as in the stock market. These kind of temporary falls is expected every now and then. And what happened last week was that the Nifty attempted to break its 52-week high. In fact, it lifetime high even. It went as close as 18,400 and odd, which is very, very close to a whisker away from the lifetime highs. People were expecting it to break that and then go upward journey. So, from the technical point of view, if index Nifty particularly is to break the uh, lifetime high, then it is expected to go much higher because of the robust demand and the macroeconomic scenario for our Indian economy. And the FII front, there is a welcome change that is happening in FII. In September, they were shorting our markets in the cash market by about 18,000 crores. It is similar for the earlier months also they started selling. And in September, they sold about 18,000 crores. And in October, that got mellowed and then they sold only about 489 crores. This month is a welcome change. They started buying, and so far this month they have bought about 13,000 crores in the first 20 days itself. The last week there was not much buying happening, but probably if the market is to fall down or go up, they will come in and start buying them. Um, then the Bitcoin, the world over, the risk of is there for all the markets, because of which the Bitcoin is trading close to its 52 weeks low or even couple of years low as well. Somewhere around $16,000 dollars per Bitcoin is where it is trading. And if so, that displays that people are risk wary now. I mean, people are afraid to take any new risk. They are deploying it in a safe havens. That is the reason why dollar is again getting strengthened. Earlier also it has strengthened against almost all the currencies. Now there was a dip and then again started dollar started going up again. So crude oil from the 1 week high earlier week, 7712 the high of the earlier week, it has come down to 6537. It has happened because China is clamping down on the COVID. They want to mitigate that COVID impact. So they are clamping down on all the activities of people movement and the goods movement. Because of which the crude oil, the economic outlook is not so great there. So that because of which the crude oil prices are low, getting lower and expect to go down even further. And one more thing to be added about the macroeconomic environment is that our tax collections, direct tax collections are almost achieved the target for the year itself, well ahead of the schedule. So economy is very robust in our in our country. So that is the reason why the strength is reflected. As I told you earlier, the strength is reflected in the Nifty. Then again, if you want to deploy, I mean, it is still at the elevated level. If you want to deploy on the stocks which are either growth stocks with decent valuations, or there are companies which are available at a fair and less than fair valuation. So hunt around for those stocks and uh, buy those stocks. If you are a trader, then straddle more than straddle. You should be um, you should be focusing on the strangle with 18,700 as will be acting as resistance level, because it is close to it is little slightly above the earlier lifetime high. So that will act as a psychological barrier as well as a resistance level. If that is to break, then market is expected to go much higher. If not, if the market is to go somewhere near that and then is to fall, then fall is going to be a little drastic. So be covered in the uh, when you are if you are naked, don't take any naked put selling. So that is where advice for trading friends who are into uh, options. So before taking any investment or trading decision, consult with your financial advisor or a research analyst. This is Suresh Kumar signing off for Zebu and Zebu.